Before you perform any maintenance to your Empower 40-volt cordless backpack, remove the battery. To replace the filter bag, unlock the 3 latches on the top cover to remove it. Lift out the full filter bag and throw it away. Next, remove the cloth bag. Then pull out the grill to check the inlet filter. If the filter is dirty, remove it and rinse it under cold water and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Put it back into the grill and replace it into the machine. Then reinsert the cloth bag. Then align these tabs into the openings of the cardboard collar and insert the bag. Secure the top cover with the latches. The filters in your vacuum should be maintained regularly to ensure you're getting peak performance. Use this tab to remove the filter door on either side of the vacuum. The Hexaguard activated carbon filters are located on the inside of the door. These should be replaced annually. Now, pull out the HEPA filters. Rinse them under cold water. Be sure to only rinse the side that faces the inside of the vacuum and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Reinsert the HEPA filters. Align the filter door and snap it into place. If your backpack vacuum is losing suction and isn't picking up like it should, you could have a clog. If the bag isn't full, check the nozzle, the wand, and the hose and clear out any obstructions you see.